By September, they made it to the heart of the Great Plains. Lewis described the landscape somewhere in South Dakota along the Missouri as rich, pleasing, and beautiful. He appreciated the land itself, but he and many other Americans exploring the Great Plains were thrilled by the animals. In his entry on September 17th, he noted that the scenery was, quote, heightened by immense herds of buffalo, deer, elk, and antelope we saw in every direction, feeding on the hills and on the plains. He further observed, quote, I do not think I exaggerate when I estimate the number of buffalo which could be compared at one view to amount to 3,000, unquote. Lewis echoed the same thoughts the following year on the Little Muddy River in North Dakota in April.